Was it B?
Yeah.
Ja, stekkes B. Ingegärd med en par adressändar.
Ja, det ska det stå.
Åsima, Nyland, Finland. We have also been in the Stekkes A. We filmed it also. Investing sport versus our 325 grams. It has NP8 fixtures with a beautiful blue Connie logo. I like these red doors, wine red doors.
Same here.
Same in the interior too. But it could have had the occupied light. This doesn't have it.
Yeah.
It's got 5 floors. Just focus. Yeah. And it was also built in 1983. Turned 45 years old in 2018, and the buttons light up. It's amazing. And the serial number is 62926. Or was the 6th in the last digit?
8.
8, yeah. 62628.
62928.
Yeah, 62928, sorry. Alright. Because it's a bit hard to see sometimes when it's too dark.
Yeah.
Alright. Only doors have been remodeled a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe in the early 2000s. Maybe because they were torn.
Yeah. Respektive pakivainsputent, maintained by Schindler.
Yeah. And yeah, of course it was remodeled in the early 2000s because the river is from the 1990s or 2000s.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2022. I think the Stekkes A has 6 floors, so it's a bit more amazing.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but I think so. Right. Blue logos here. Alright, thank you very much for watching.
That's